Well, evening, and in this video we're going to do something different. We're going to make some Baileys. So in this video I'm going to do a homemade Baileys. Now in true Blue Peter style. Here's one I made earlier. Well, my other half made it earlier, but thing is we only made enough for 1.5 bottles, so got an extra bottle. They're only £1 from IKEA. I'm going to make another batch and then we'll have enough for 3 bottles, so I'll show you what we need. For starters, we need some heavy cream, so full carton of this Jersey single cream, and we need some condensed milk. It says 395 grams. I mean, you'd have to be exact with all amounts, you'd have to be exact, you can tweak it a bit. And we need 400 ml of Irish whiskey, in this case Jameson's, 3 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. Again, we're going to tweak it, we're not going to put 3 tablespoons in. And what's the next thing? 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And last but not least, according to this, it says a teaspoon of instant coffee, but we're going to put a bit more in, do 1.5 teaspoons. So, next thing we need to do is to replace everything in here. So, we'll put in the, get the condensed milk in first. Then next is the cream. And the next thing I'm going to add is the whiskey. Now, to do the measurements, I've got these spoons. This one's 15 ml. I've already worked it out. We need, according to calculations, if you do it exactly, it's 26 and 2/3, so we'll go for 27. So I'll do this bit off camera because it'd be a bit boring if I do 27 measures of 15 ml. So I'll add that in, and then we can show you the next thing to add. 26, and that's our last one, the 27th spoon. So we just did a little bit over 400 ml. That says it, you don't have to be exact with the amounts, you know, you can tweak it here and there. So we've added the cream, we've added the condensed milk, we've added the whiskey, and we need 3 the chocolate syrup. It's not, that'll be 3 tablespoons. It's going to be, go for 1.5. So 1. We'll call that half. And 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, which will be this one. This spoon, the 5 ml spoon. So we'll add out vanilla extract. And that goes. And then our instant coffee. So we'll grab a spoon. Teaspoon. So one. I'll add a bit more. That says you have to follow it exactly to the letter. So that's everything in the jug. So next thing we need to do is we need to, I said put it in a blender, but I think that might be a bit too harsh. So we'll go for the electric whisk. So I'll set 30 seconds on my timer. So you can see the 30 seconds. Oops. 30 seconds, and we'll start it. There we go, 30 seconds is up. And we have our Baileys. So we'll fill this bottle up first, decant the mixture. We'll do the same in this one. I'll do this off camera. So that's our homemade Baileys made. Next thing you need to do is put it in the fridge and leave it for 2 hours. And that is basically it. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video, a bit different to stuff I normally do. Please remember to like, subscribe, share and click that notification bell. As ever, thanks for watching and I'll see you.